This whole batch went in the bin and it took my favourite pot with it. But 2 flavours came out perfectly. Salted. Salt and chili with a kick. It turns out revenge is sweet and salty. I'm Didge. Let's go make some popcorn. Let's get to it. Add your oil. Add your popcorn kernels. Salt. Stir. Add your oil. Same technique. Kernels, salt and chili. Mix. And then came the one that ended up in the bin. Oil kernels, salt, sugar, stir. Salted. Tastes delicious. Chili popcorn. Eat this as a great snack. I'm upset, you know. This didn't come out right. It's annoying. Oh well, we'll try again. The redemption recipe, call it. This is my sweet and salty popcorn. I did it. Delicious. Brilliant. Love it. Sweet. Nice little crunch. Tasty. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do Didge. See you in the next one. Bye.